Is your Tableau workbook feeling a bit overstuffed? Let's declutter and optimize by removing unused datasets. First, open the Tableau workbook you want to clean up and take a look at the bottom left corner. Locate the Data Source tab. Here, on the left panel, you'll see all the data sources currently connected to your workbook. Carefully review this list. Identifying any data sources you're absolutely sure are no longer being used in any of your visualizations or calculations is important to be certain to prevent breaking your dashboards. Once you've identified an unused data source, right-click on it. In the list a menu will appear now. Select the Close option. This will disconnect the data source from your workbook. A confirmation box will pop up, making sure you really want to remove the data source. Double-check one more time that it's safe to remove, and then click OK to confirm. And there you have it. The data source is now removed from your workbook. Repeat this process for any other unused data sources you identify. By removing the necessary datasets, you'll streamline your workbook, improve its performance, and make it much easier to maintain in the long run. Happy analyzing.